Hello guys, welcome back to another video. OnePlus just done with the launch of OnePlus 8T and 8T Cyberpunk edition. And now we have also started receiving leaks and live images of OnePlus 9 series. So in this video, let's talk about the OnePlus 9. By the way, if you guys are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. So starting off with the hardware, as we all know, Qualcomm have announced its latest Snapdragon 888 processor, and OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro will be powered with the same processor. Both the variants will get Snapdragon 888, which is an 5nm chipset. With this new chipset, we're gonna see 25% better performance compared to the current generation Snapdragon 865 Plus. And the latest chipset will also have support of RAM up to 16GB. Isn't it great? And hopefully we might get to see 16GB RAM in highest variant of OnePlus 9. You guys drop your thoughts in the comment section below. Do we really need 16GB of RAM on a smartphone? And few days back we also got live images of OnePlus 9. And these live shots are of pre-production unit. OnePlus 9 is expected to launch in mid-March. These live images are sent to Phone Arena by an anonymous source. These photos provide us a clear look of OnePlus 9 5G from every angle. The particular picture shows the silver color variant. If you take a look at the back of device, OnePlus 9 will have a new camera setup with triple camera and a LED flash. But we are exactly not sure about the camera sensor yet. We also see a branding of ultra short. Back logo is not OnePlus logo because it's a prototype. We have seen such things with other manufacturers like Pixel. They also had a different logo on the pre-production units. Front of OnePlus 9 5G comes with a flat display, and I'm not a huge fan of that. But OnePlus 9 Pro series might have curved edges or the curved display. Here we get the same punch hole selfie camera similar to OnePlus 8 series. Leaks also confirm OnePlus 9 will have 6.55-inch display with a resolution of 2400 by 1080 and with 120Hz of refresh rate, along with aspect ratio of 20:9. We have same metal panel on OnePlus 9 and the same placement of hardware buttons. Left side we have volume rocker, right side alert slider along with power button. On the top we have an microphone and an earpiece. Towards the bottom side we get to see SIM tray, USB Type-C charging port and a speaker grill, similar to OnePlus 7, OnePlus Nord and OnePlus 8 series. We also get to see few screenshots taken from the device, which shows device will support 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. And I also think OnePlus will not be getting 6GB variant in their flagship series. Base variant will start from 8GB RAM. And as expected, we won't have micro SD support. Out of the box, device will offer Oxygen OS 11 based on Android 11. Battery capacity will be 4500 mAh with 65 watt of wireless charging support. And if we get wireless charging support, then we should also have an IP rating for water and dust resistance. Camera UI is similar to OnePlus 8 series, and it's also rumored that OnePlus 9 will not have a support of optical image stabilization. Instead of that, we'll have EIS support, which is electronic image stabilization, and I think it will be a downgrade to camera if we don't get optical image stabilization, because electronic image stabilization is nowhere close to optical image stabilization. And you guys let me know your thoughts about the upcoming series of OnePlus 9. Are you guys gonna purchase OnePlus 9 series after a very poor support of software updates? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. Hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up, and if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.